Hello, my name is Jessica Marshall, President and CEO of the Green Mission, Inc., a waste diversion firm. I'm also President of Marshall Accounting Services, LLC, a tax consultation practice I have run for over 19 years. Tax season is over, and with it have come some valuable tax planning strategies for my clients for the upcoming year. Individuals can deduct up to 50% of their adjusted gross income in non-monetary contributions. Many of my individual clients itemize deductions and as such can take charitable contributions for non-monetary items that are donated to charities or government organizations. Corporations can also take charitable contributions in the form of non-monetary. Couple this with many of my clients taking on home renovation projects, with kitchens being the most popular by far. A client can donate the materials, furnishings, fixtures, and appliances after they renovate their kitchen to a charity and take the fair market value of those materials as a non-monetary charitable contribution. Renovation Angel, led by CEO and founder Steve Feldman, offer used luxury kitchens at a fraction of the price of new. Year after year, they continue to service households nationwide in bringing these luxury goods at a fraction of the price. They also take donations and keep these gorgeous furnishings, fixtures, and kitchen materials out of the landfill. Steve Feldman brought this company into being starting in 2001 as he noticed the huge amounts of perfectly good building materials and kitchen items that are tossed into the landfill every year. Just this month, they announced an exciting new partnership with high-end kitchen appliance manufacturer Miele. If a client donates their kitchen to Renovation Angel, they can receive 10% off the price of new Miele appliances. At the Green Mission, Inc., we value these materials in line with the IRS specific definition of fair market value by retrieving comparable market data from the resale market and determining values to make sure they align with the expectations of the IRS and do not put our clients at risk for disallowance upon audit. In the tax world, it is a rare treat to find tax policy that brings social, economic, and environmental benefits. When considering kitchen renovations this year, please reach out to Renovation Angel at the numbers provided. For independent appraisal services, please reach out to the Green Mission, Inc. We look forward to working with you.